Hello everyone, how's everyone going? Hope you are all doing a awesome day today. And today on this video, I wanted to talk about solo ad tracking software, right? I've been doing affiliate marketing for a while now, and when I first actually started, I was using ClickMagic, but very recently I switched to another software that I'm going to be showing you, and I'll also show you how you can actually use it. So it will make a lot of things easy, right? You might be out there someone who's actually buying solo ad traffic, but you're looking for a alternative to ClickMagic, and I know just by watching this training and video you will get a lot of value, so you can go ahead and start to be using this amazing tool or software, right? So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sanjeev, and I create videos about making money online purely with affiliate marketing, right? And if you are also someone out there who actually looking to start an online business, this is the first video that you're gonna be watching as I share with you day 1, day 2, day 3, step by step, so you can take this knowledge and start to implement into your own online business. Okay, so the tool that I'm actually mentioning about is called Optin Dojo, right? I personally know the owner and the creator of this amazing software. He's a engineer by trade, software engineer, and he was the first one to actually come up with this software and design it, because he was purely using solo ads, and there wasn't any tracking software out there till this day which can actually do the tracking that Optin Dojo can do, right? So if I go to home page, right, this is purely the home page, and this has got the tracking links, the funnel, the traffic source, custom domains, and tools, right? So there's a lot of interface, but don't get confused. It's like really easy and simple. So I'll tell you what you need to do step by step, right? So the very first thing that you are going to do is just click on funnels, and you're going to be adding your funnel, right? If you don't have a funnel at the moment, no problem. I'll also leave a link in the description. You can go and create your funnel yourself. It's really easy. Most of the time people actually use ClickFunnels, but ClickFunnels I find is like really expensive. You pay like $90 or $120 a month, but the one I'm actually using is only $25, and also with that you get residual income, right? So which is just awesome. So what you're gonna do is just add your funnel in here, right? Sorry about that. So you're going to be adding your funnel, and then after you have added your funnel, that's when you go and you can add your traffic source, right? So add your traffic source. So I've got different traffic source. You can add your traffic source. So if I click on this, you can just create a traffic source, solo ads, or whichever one you actually want to use, right? So you can name your traffic, and then after that what you're going to do is after you've added the traffic, you're going to go to the tracking links, because you want to track everything. And this is the main reason I actually love Optin Dojo. Let me show the interface so you can get an idea, right? This is the total clicks, number of opt-ins, opt-in rate, how many people actually coming into your funnel, right? And this is showing like number of email clicks, number of email openers, email clickers rate, you know, all this data, right? You can also see the sales. Like a sales I haven't added, you need to go in there and add it manually, which I'll actually cover in the other video. And you can literally go and just test which solo ad vendor is actually giving the highest quality clicks, so you can go out there and just not be wasting money, right? The ones that are actually giving you the highest opt-in rate and also the sales, those are the ones that I'm actually going to continue to use and become profitable with that amazing solo ad vendor, right? And most of the time when people actually start using solo ad, they don't track anything. They only track the opt-in rate. Opt-in rate is not that important if you want to get success with solo ad. You need to be looking at your data, which is the email clickers rate, email openers rate, and also email click-through rate. All those data that you need to be seeing for you to make an informed decision, like if this is going to be a best solo ad vendor to use in a very long for a while, or you should stop using that, because there's a lot of bad solo ad vendors out there. I don't want to name any, but there's like a ton of them, and you need to be doing your own due diligence. And the way you can actually do that is by using Optin Dojo, right? I'll leave a link in the description. Also, if you want to know a step-by-step tutorial video, just leave in the comment section below so I can send you that playlist, so that way you can get to know how to actually use the actual Optin Dojo interface step by step. You might be using promoting ClickBank, right? You might be doing ClickBank, but you actually don't know how to design your own funnels and everything like that. I will also be setting your funnel. If you want to ask for you to set up your funnel, we will also do that, right? So just leave in the comment section below if you have any questions so I can answer it. But Optin Dojo is the best one out there, so go out there and start to use Optin Dojo. Thank you, and bye for now.